What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a Ocho and setter. NEWLINK.
A businesswoman and her son were fatally shot by gunmen at their home in Mansfield Heights, Ocho Center on Thursday. The deceased have been identified as 55-year-old Cassette Graham and 31-year-old son Maurice Levy. Police reports are that at about 11 a.m., both persons were at home when a motor vehicle was driven up to the location. Armed men alighted from the vehicle and opened gunfire, hitting both Graham and Levy. After the attack, the man fled the scene in the waiting vehicle. The police were alerted and both wounded persons were rushed to a hospital where they died while being treated. A motive for the killing has not yet been established, but police investigators are ongoing into the incident. So, you don't know, 1-year-old was cut down at their home in Ocho. The mother occupation has been identified as a businesswoman, none for the son. You understand? So, in the end, people, right now, no information has reached the NEWLINK about what could have caused this mother and son to be killed. But there is definitely something behind these people. Because remember, in our Tolian, we all have sense and we know. A mother and son at their home. No man would just come up to them with a car and just fire shot, hitting a mother and son for no reason. There must be something behind it. You get me? But I'm not the police, I'm not the detective, I'm not the investigator. But all I can say is, people, wow, it turned up than a yard. It really turned up than a yard. You understand? I've seen where people's life has been just flash out and splash out like it's nothing. You know, remember when we used to walk on the road and we see frogs died, we see dogs get hit by a car, you know what I mean? And we see all of those things happening. That's how man life is right now. I remember small growing up people. Most time people died, somebody who was like old, you know. The sick, they come of age. You understand? But our accident, I don't really remember hearing so much people dying by guns. And what is happening in Jamaica now, people? Most of the communities that used to be some quiet places that not a place can be an innocent person, but because of you associating yourself with some family members or some friend who are parts of something, we're not good, you understand, we're really not good, can cause your life. So in the end, people, that's why I always say, you know, we have our destiny to choose, but we see it, you know, in front of us, and we allow it to take over us when we could have taken control of it from before. Because if you know something is negative, why associating yourself with it? It make no sense. You get me, I say? So in the end, all I can say, viewers and subscribers, boy, it's sad, a mother and son one time. It's really sad and terrible, but what? What's behind this? What's the cause? It's sad to know how easy a man can just take a gun and just beat it by you and kill you. Slap you out. It's so easy. But I'm saying, what's the cause? In the end, people, when investigators and everybody, and people will do know the cause, and I can tell you this, people, wow, something go down. Something go down. But just sees and he knows everything. You don't know the thing, my viewers and my subscribers. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and we say attack. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell icon so as I drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official. On Facebook, NEWLINK Production. On Twitter, NEWLINK Production. And people, please remember, get the NEWLINK shirt them. You understand? Check below the video, the link is there, and support the thing. We also have a PayPal link, people, and you can do a contribution. Right now we are trying to get some care package for a community in Jamaica also. So if you can do contribute, please do link up the link and give a contribution. I'm asking you, please. You understand, we need a love, we need a support, and let's make a difference in somebody's life. You understand, in the less fortunate life that don't have it right now. Wish we can even, because you don't know, maybe $1 can just change somebody's life. You may never know. So you don't know the thing of people. Enough love, enough respect, and stay safe and stay blessed. Panda Sunday, attack. Peace out and respect. Big up.